This is my 2017 Golf R. I got it from the auction sites and seen. And in today's video, I'm gonna try to turn it on for the first time. Hopefully, it's gonna turn on and hopefully the engine is working as it should. If you don't know, watch the previous video and you will know what I'm talking about. Let's go. Alright guys, on this video I'm gonna be replacing the oil pan on the car because it was leaking from the previous video. I'm gonna put it on right now, and then I saw the coolant is low, so I got the coolant as well. We're gonna replace it. Hopefully this fixes the problem. Let's go. I got the oil, I got the coolant. Now we have to do the job, so let's go and finish it. Now I'm going to take the splash shield first, and then I'm gonna get to the oil pan, remove it, check the oil pan, and then I'm gonna check the oil filter. Hopefully there is no metal shaves right there, and wish me luck. And to remove the splash shield, we're gonna need the two T20. Let's go and take them off. We got splash shield. Let's go. For the oil pan, we're gonna need the T30. Let's go. I was able to take off the first parts, the oil sensor, and look guys, it's really oily right here. The color doesn't look, it's different, which is great. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. All right, let me continue. Oh, see, oil, yeah, no metal shave. Oh guys, I think it's gonna get a little over 60% now positive. There is no metal shavings, it looks cleaned. By why it was leaking, so I have to check. What you think, guys? Comment, let me hear you. Let me hear what you're saying, guys. Guys, check this out. I think I found the problem. I'm 100%. I found the problem. Check this out. Can you see a crack right there? Alright guys, so after I found the problem, now I'm gonna clean the oil pan area. Make sure it's clean before we install the new one. Now I'm going to install the new oil pan. All right guys, this is the next day. Like you saw yesterday, I broke one of the oil pan bolts. I truck it to 6, but for some reason the breaker bar was I don't know, it was sitting on a different foot-pound, and then it broke. So now I'm gonna try to remove it and then finish the project. Let's go. Now I'm cleaning the oil sensor before installation. Make sure it's clean. All right, looks good. Let's install it. All right, it fits perfect. Now I'm going to replace the oil filter. Checking if there is any metal shapes, guys. It looks clean so far. It looks new as well. We're replacing it with this just for right now, guys. I just want to make sure the car is running before I put one of the good oil filter and the oils as well. Looks clean. I'm just gonna put it back for right now. Or is it better to replace all of it? Yeah. I'm just gonna get a tool to remove this right here. So I'm gonna replace it. Alright, so I'm gonna use this tool to remove it. Remove this gasket. I was able to grab it the first time. And yeah, there you go. Gasket. Alright guys, so I'm here working on a 2017 Golf R, and I found this hose right here going all the way to this plug-in, and it's broke. So this is the look of it, and it's broken from this area right here. Guys, do you know what is the name or part number of this, you know, parts? Let me know. There we go, guys. So we got a brand new battery. I'm gonna install it, put this salt water on the reservoir even if this radiator is broken, and I'm just gonna pour the oil and then see if it's gonna turn on. Let's go. And now we're gonna pour the oil. And this car takes 6 quarts. W40. No leak. So far so good. Let's see. Check more. Check again. Still no leaks, guys, so let's see. I'm very nervous right now. Alright, let's see. All right guys, so as you saw, radiator is broken. I'm gonna try to add distilled water and I'm just gonna start it really quick just to make sure the engine is running, and then I'm gonna start ordering all the broken parts to get this car ready as soon as possible. Let's go. One, two, three. We got a working engine, guys. All right guys, it's a big relief right now. The engine is running good. So now let's order all the parts we need, get this car ready as soon as possible. See you in the next video. You're gonna see all the parts here. We're gonna start getting the bumper, the radiator is broken, the hose, fix everything. See you soon. Peace.